Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be solving a problem from CSIR UGC NET 2019 June physics paper, and the problem goes something like this. The wave number k and the angular frequency omega of a wave are related by the dispersion relation omega squared equal to alpha beta cube, where alpha and beta are positive constant. The wave number for which the phase velocity equals group velocity is. So here we have omega square equal to alpha k plus beta k cube. Now if we differentiate, we get 2 omega d omega by dk equal to alpha plus 3 beta k square. Now d omega by dk is our group velocity, right? So what we can write as d omega by dk is equal to alpha plus 3 beta k square by 2 omega, right? This is d omega by dk. Now in the question it is said that the group velocity is equal to the phase velocity. Then what we can write as d omega by dk is equal to omega by k, right? And if we substitute the value, we get alpha plus beta k square by 2 omega is equal to omega by k. Now let us simplify. So this will be 2 omega square equal to k alpha plus beta k cube. Now we already have the value for omega square. So what we will do is we'll just plug in the value of omega square here. Then what we get is 2 times alpha k plus beta k cube equal to alpha k plus beta k cube. Now if we simplify, this will be alpha k. Sorry, there will be a 3 here, so I'll just write 3. Okay, fine. 3. So alpha k equal to beta k cube. Then again k is equal to root alpha by beta. So finally we get the wave number k is equal to root over alpha by beta. So option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood how to solve this problem. The solution PDF will be linked in the description. You can also check my free mock test, which is also attached in the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more physics videos.